Welcome back to the channel. It is so amazing to be able to talk to you. Thank you for joining me. This will be the last video that I'm filming here in Las Vegas before I head home, and then the format should be back to the normal. So Algorand as an Ethereum killer. I firmly believe it could be an Ethereum killer. In fact, I believe it will be an Ethereum killer. It's better. It's faster. It's cheaper. I sound like the old $1 million man. We can build it back better, faster, stronger than before. But it's true. I mean, Algorand, in my opinion, is better. And everybody's going to follow the normal mode. I did, and it's weird how that happens. When you get into cryptocurrency, when you haven't learned about it and you're just kind of testing the waters, everybody goes into the big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because that's all everybody ever talks about is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then as time goes on and you start exploring, you learn that there are way, way, way better things than Bitcoin and Ethereum. I mean, just things that cost way less, things that are faster transaction times per second. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And Algorand is absolutely one of these coins. Now, from the Motley Fool article that we are reading from today, the other two above this that they were suggesting were Quantum and Avalanche. So we're down here on Algorand. The third cryptocurrency I find more exciting than Bitcoin and Ethereum is smart contract-driven blockchain network Algorand. Like Avalanche, Algorand stands out because of its competitive edge over the big two and its differentiation. Yeah, it's cheaper. It's faster. It's native pure proof of stake. I mean, it's easy. Look, the normal person, in order to make money off Ethereum, first off, to make money off Ethereum, you've got to hold a whole bunch of thousands of dollars worth of Ethereum. The average person isn't going to want to do that. They're going to look at that and they're going to say, well, okay, so I buy the coin, I can wait for the base price to go up, and that's how I make money on it. Or you can come on over to Algorand, where it's pretty cheap. You can buy $1 worth of Algorand and make money off of it. I mean, without doing anything, it's not that complicated. Nobody's going to want to go down the rabbit hole when they're a beginner of Ethereum. It can be pretty complicated and daunting. Algorand makes it easy and simple and inviting. For example, a December update from Algorand's development team showed that it offered an average block finality of 4.36 seconds and was capable of processing 1,162 transactions per second. It's definitely higher than that right now. Keeping in mind that the typical cross-border payment with existing infrastructure takes up to a week to validate and settle. A week. And there's people that are doubting crypto, and people wonder, well, what is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? Well, it's very simple. You can make it a complicated explanation, or you can make it a very simple explanation. Cryptocurrency, most of them, some of them are complicated. We'll stick with Algorand. Algorand is basically a simpler way to do everything that you have done with your finances today, but faster and cheaper. I mean, come on now. Why wouldn't anybody want to jump on something better, faster, and easier? That's advancement. That's technology. That's how the world rotates. We don't stay in one technology and stagnant forever. We make advances. We move up. In the beginning, when advances happen, everybody kind of resists it because, well, all the old money is in the old stuff. Old money doesn't want new stuff to kick out old money because old money likes to have new money. I mean, money makes the world go around, right? Algorand's network finalizing payments in 4.36 seconds is a night and day advantage for the future of finance. Yeah, you want to wait a week? A week in financial terms is just, it's insane. In a week, your business could go belly up, especially lately with everything going on. What I find particularly intriguing about Algorand is the emphasis it's placed on interoperability. And I love it. Bridges to everywhere. That's what I say. All roads lead to Rome. All bridges lead to Algorand. Let it be. There are currently around 17,000. Well, there's like 20. I think when I looked 3 days ago, there were 19,200. And a week before that, there were 18,000. This article is from January, and there were 17,000. We need regulation because, well, a lot of these projects are going to disappear when they're vetted. And that money is going to trickle down into other projects. 17,000 cryptocurrencies listed on coinmarketcap.com, and presumably thousands upon thousands of other blockchain projects in the works. Yeah, oh yeah, I guarantee you it. Multi-trillion-dollar market, everybody and their brothers trying to get something in on it. While some of these projects will be compatible with each other, there's a good chance many won't. Yeah, they will be islands. Algorand has a true focus on bridging these compatibility gaps to ensure money, files, and data can be exchanged quickly and in a secure manner. Those sound very appetizing to me. A final advantage for Algorand is the network's unique consensus mechanism known as pure proof of stake. With traditional proof of stake blockchain, it's possible for small holders of a token to disrupt a network. Algorand's pure proof of stake, which randomly and secretly chooses algo holders to vote on proposals and propose blocks, virtually eliminates this potential for network sabotage. Well, and the fact that it's easy to hold, it is easy to, and I'm doing air quotes here, stake Algorand. You don't stake Algorand, you hold Algorand in your wallet. You do get a very, very, very small pittance just holding it and not getting into governance. But once you get into governance, it's like right now it's about 11.01% last I looked. I haven't looked this morning, but yesterday I did, and it was at 11.01%. That can fluctuate slightly, but from the beginning of governance to the end of governance, that percentage rate can only go up as governors drop out. Maybe they spent more than what they thought they had. They made a mistake, which is one of the reasons I am a big proponent of having multiple wallets. Have your sacred wallet where you don't touch it, you don't talk about it, you don't show it on YouTube, you don't, nothing. It is sacred. That's your baby. That's your money. That's what you're going to retire on. Then you have your intermediary, your middle wallets, which are ones that are, I'll touch them if there's a good project and I want to add liquidity to some of my smaller projects that I'm backing and things like that. Okay, well then, yeah, absolutely. And then have your junk wallets. Your junk wallets are your play around wallets. There's something out there like, this project is 0.000000000001 per token. I'm not sure if it's going to be great, but early investors, even in bad projects, tend to make a lot of money. And so let me throw 1,000 in it, and if I lose the 1,000, who cares? It was just play around money anyways. But if I make it, then there you go. Algorand, and prices are going up pretty nicely. It was about 95 cents this morning when I took a peek. We are definitely recovering. The Algorand standard assets are recovering as well. Yieldly is back up. I do plan to do a Yieldly video perhaps this evening. Maybe I will do one tomorrow morning as I'm getting ready to actually head out. But let me know if you guys find that interesting. Would you like to see a Yieldly video? I haven't done one of those in a while. Algorand is the future, I'm telling you. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not. And Bitcoin and Ethereum are not going anywhere. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that they're going to zero. I'm just saying there are better alternatives out there. And the more people that get into it, the more people are going to trickle down to Algorand. Because why wouldn't they? You're getting in something that's expensive, it's slow, and it's complicated, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then you sit for a while and you're like, man, these are weird, but I'm already in cryptocurrency. Let me explore this a little bit. And as you explore, you land on Algorand, which is one of the best cryptocurrencies, in my opinion. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you guys. You guys are so amazing. And I thank you. I will see you guys on the next one.